Howdy. I'm gonna show you how to create a super simple beat that anyone could rap or sing over if they wanted. First we're gonna set the BPM of the track to about 141, because it makes us unique and gives us a good speed. Then we'll start with an 8-bar loop. And find a piano or something. We'll work in the key of F sharp minor, because it's the best. Then we'll use the 6, 5, and 1 notes. Make them into chords by copying them and moving them up 7 spaces. Then fill in the middle notes on the highlighted keys. This will give us some simple chords for your singer or rapper to do something over. Then we'll grab the bass notes, copy them, and move them down an octave. Now our chords are more full and better. Now, let's talk drums. Pull up Splice, or scour the dark recesses of the internet to find some simple drum sounds. Can't go wrong with a kick, a snare, and a hi-hat. Then put them wherever they sound good. Usually with the hi-hat doing a heap of hits. The snare in the middle of every bar. And the kick whenever he pleases. Wow! Amazing! The song is almost complete. Now we'll add a bass. I'm just gonna use a sub bass because I prefer doing that over using 808s. Now we're gonna do something crazy and super advanced. We're gonna use a compressor to sidechain the bass with the kick. First, make sure your kick is on a different layer to the rest of your drums. I don't know if this works in other DAWs. But in Ableton we're gonna put the basic compressor on the bass. Press the little arrow. Click sidechain. Select the kick as the input. Click the 3 bars. Turn the attack and release down. Then drag the arrow on the first bar down. Adjust it to your liking. But this will give your bass a bit of bounce and make the mix less messy. Now let's add one more element to spice it up. And change the sounds of our MIDI tracks around to our liking. I'm gonna add a lead that will come in part way through the song. It'll roughly follow the chords and add a refreshing element for our ear holes. I swapped out the piano to something less boring. Then I arranged the track. Now we got a super simple beat that even a baby like Drake could do something with. Please like and subscribe so I can make better beats for you.